In this video, we're going to look at how the IV curve looks for a wire and a resistor. The reason we're doing these together is because the shapes for both the wire and the resistor are identical. You'll see in the last video that we used this circuit over here in order to collect the data for the IV curve. This circuit is set up to take the IV curve for the resistor. However, if we wanted to do this for the wire instead, all we would do is replace the resistor with a wire down the centre. But what does the graph look like? Well, if you collect a set of data for current and voltage, what you will end up getting is a straight line that passes through the origin. And that's because wires and resistors both have constant resistance. Now, if you were to measure lots of different resistors, you might find that the next time you end up with a line, but the gradient has changed. All that means is that there is a different resistance. In fact, in this case, we would actually have a higher resistance than we did in the first one. Apologies. We'd have a higher resistance than we did in the first one, which means this one has a lower resistance. And that is the IV curve for a wire and resistor.